She was beautiful, but didn't know it. She was full of life, but somehow it died. She was lost, but somehow she would be found. Something so sweet, yet forbidden. Innocence snatched away before she fully blossomed. Like the frosting on a cake, he craved every being of her. As he watched her rise like the cupcakes in the oven, he snatched her before she was ready and stripped the icing from her crown and distorted the cherry that was meant to be cherished. So sweet, yet divine and pure. So sweet, sweet enough to ruin the very essence of she.
Hi, it's Lana from Lana Sweets. How may I help you? Okay, 2 dozen of the Strawberry Delight and Chocolate Passion. Okay, I have it right over to you. Alright, thank you, bye. Girl, Lana, you got it smelling just like Mama did. Yeah, I always use this as a way to relieve stress, you know? I know. Well, how many houses you going to today? How many deliveries do you have? Seems like we only have 2, so we're gonna go there and then we're gonna go to my old neighborhood. You know, they always supported me and my mama. Yes, they did. Let's go ahead and get this delivered.
These my cupcakes?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Been craving these.
Well, you're welcome.
All right. See you later, girl.
Bye. Hey, it's Lana. I have your orders.
All right, hold on.
Here goes your Strawberry Passion and Chocolate Delight.
Wow, they look great. Huh. You know what? You're looking more and more like your mother with every passing day. How you been holding up?
No, I'm doing okay.
Okay, well, we surely miss her. Hey, kids! Here go the cupcakes!
Yay! Hi, sweetie.
Well, anyway, listen. Next week, we're going to put in another order, and we hope they look as good as these.
You know, I have everything ready for you.
Okay. Listen, take care of yourself, and if you need anything, let us know.
Thank you.
All right, bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, so where are we going next? My old neighborhood. Okay. You know you need to start driving again.
Now you know I can't do that. He used to...
I'm sorry. Lana, I can be your chauffeur as long as you want me to be.
Thank you, girl.
Can I help you?
Hey, I'm Lena. I like to sell cupcakes.
Ma'am, are you okay? Can I help you?
Yeah. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Lena. Please excuse us, sir. I'm so sorry. Lena, what happened? You can't keep letting him get to you like that.
I don't know. It was his cologne. It just made all the memories just start coming back. God, I want to move on, but it's hard. I try everything. I try baking and writing, but I just can't.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm here for you. Look, I I know it must have been a nightmare what your uncle did to you. But trust me, there are so many other girls and boys that are being sexually abused. 1 out of 9 females under the age of 18 are being sexually assaulted. So you are not alone in this. But you gotta fuel it, Lana. You gotta make it into something positive. You gotta escape from this so he can't continue to do you like that. It's like you're letting him control your life, and you're better than that. Look, I think it's time that you consider turning this thing around. Invest. And I'll help you. I'll help you invest in your dreams. Invest in your mom's dreams. I know she'll be proud of you. Just look. Lana Sweets and Lounge. You'll be busy doing this while doing the things you love. Writing and baking. All while freeing yourself at the same time.
Just like baking, he came in measurements. A teaspoon of small affection, a cup of innocence stolen with his hands. Visions of him pop in my head. The smell of someone's cologne triggers the gun that hold the overflowing gallon to burst and release the stolen parts. The broken child that never lived the princess fairy tale. She was demolished by the one she saw so highly. The one who carried the crown. The one who threw me in a dungeon and imprisoned my body, my mind, and my soul. This became something that has grown old. I'll take back the things I previously owned. With the last melody I sing, who died and made you king? I am not that 1 in 9 girl you tried to make me be. You took the youth, but through the thoughts of me, I am and will always be Lana Beardsley. I will build my kingdom and take back my sweets. Lost once before, and now I'm free.
Guys, can I get you guys over here, please? So, first off, I want to thank you all for coming, and I want to open up with a spoken word. This is Lana Sweets and Lounge, so one thing that I will want for you all to do is to come here to open up about anything that y'all would like to. And without further ado, I want to go ahead and get into what I have to say. Run and hide in fear. His hand took my innocence and left me scared. Scared to take my crown. But this slow death has grown old, and I will sing my last melody. Yes. Because I always wondered, who died and made you king? Come on, Lana. I will dismantle your throne, and I will be a queen and rule alone. Thank y'all.
Hello.
Hey.
Here, why don't you take it?
Thank you.
And congratulations.